understand how developers successfully monetize open source software, we can map their strategies onto a monetization matrix defined by two key axes: enterprise criticality, how essential the software is to a company's infrastructure, security, or compliance, and community size, the sheer volume of developers or users adopting the tool. Based on the sources, here's how the four distinct archetypes fit into this matrix. Number 1. Managed lifting. High enterprise criticality, variable community size. This model is best suited for developers who maintain load-bearing dependencies deep within the software supply chain. Their community size, in terms of direct human users, might not be massive, but their code is embedded in countless enterprise applications. The strategy: developers, known as lifters, partner with platforms like Tidelift to create a scalable income stream by providing the maintenance, security, and licensing assurances that risk-averse enterprises expect from commercial software. The monetization: instead of selling features, lifters are paid based on subscriber usage. Tidelift analyzes the software bills of materials of enterprise subscribers and floods payments down the dependency graph to the maintainers. The payout is calculated using factors like the package's code size and how many subscribers actively rely on it. Matrix fit. High enterprise criticality. It does not require the developer to build a massive public brand or distribution funnel. It simply requires the software to be a critical, well-maintained building block for corporate users. Solo enterprise. High enterprise criticality, medium to high community size. This model relies on building a highly reliable, capable, open-source core that gains widespread developer adoption, which then serves as a funnel to sell enterprise-grade features or commercial licenses directly to businesses. The strategy: Mike Perham's Sidekick, a background job processor for Ruby, is a quintessential example. He gives away a rock-solid open-source version, but charges for Pro and Enterprise tiers that include complex, mission-critical features like rate limiting, periodic jobs, and data encryption. Another example is Email Engine, which sells a commercial license for a self-hosted email gateway. The monetization: by targeting the infrastructure needs of CTOs and large organizations, these solo developers can charge premium subscription prices. Example: Sidekick Enterprise starts at $269 per month. This allows founders like Perham to generate close to $10 million in annual revenue without hiring employees. Matrix fit. This requires a solid community size to drive top-of-funnel adoption, but its revenue is entirely dependent on high enterprise criticality. Companies pay because it solves high-stakes scalability and infrastructure problems that are cheaper to buy than to build. Number 3. The Educator SaaS. Low to medium enterprise criticality, high community size. Rather than selling software features or SLAs to corporate executives, this model monetizes the developers themselves by selling educational content and digital adjacencies. The strategy: Caleb Porzio, creator of Laravel, Livewire, and Alpine.js, mastered this playbook. He built a popular framework that allows developers to write interactive apps without heavy JavaScript. By creating excellent, free documentation, he captures a massive audience of developers seeking to learn. The monetization: he uses his documentation site as a free distribution channel to upsell paid screencasts, courses, and premium pre-built components. To maximize revenue globally, he utilizes a pricing strategy that offers both an affordable annual subscription and a premium one-time fee. Matrix fit. Low enterprise criticality, but high community size. CTOs aren't buying support contracts to secure their supply chain. Instead, individual developers and small teams are paying to level up their own skills and save time. Number 4. The patronage star. Low direct enterprise criticality, massive community size. This model relies on achieving an immense global reach. The software is entirely free and open, but the creator monetizes the eyeballs and the goodwill generated by the project. The strategy. Evan You, the creator of the Vue.js framework, sustains his work for platforms like Patreon, GitHub sponsors, and Open Collective. The monetization. While individual developers donate out of gratitude, the vast majority of the revenue comes from corporate sponsors. However, these companies are not paying for premium features or direct support. They are paying for marketing exposure. Because Vue's website gets massive traffic from a highly targeted demographic, companies pay premium tiers, example $2,000 per month, to place their logos on the project's documentation. Matrix fit. Massive community size is the absolute requirement here. The enterprise criticality in terms of paid software features is low. The financial relationship is completely decoupled from the project's roadmap, allowing the maintainer to act freely without answering to corporate demands. The project itself is the brand, and the community's attention is the product being indirectly monetized. How does the open core model impact developer career stability? What are the common legal risks of open source licensing? How can AI tools both help and hurt open source?